everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my May update for Partners in Cream. This was created by Steph Lyons and Delynn. She is Outward Processing on YouTube here, and they created an amazing project. There are so many people that are doing this project because we all have lots of liquid and cream products. So this is perfect. Partners in Cream was brilliant. And if I may say so myself, ladies, I would love to see this back next year for round 2 because I need it. I desperately need it. And I venture to guess there's a good portion of the people that have joined in this year that would like to do it again next year. All right, so everyone that has joined in, and of course our wonderful creators, they're going to be listed down in my description box, so definitely go check them out. And if you want to join in, it's never too late. It goes until the end of the year. There should be a sign up down there somewhere, and just join in. Pick some cream products, liquid products, anything that's not powder, basically, and just, you know, go ahead and do your thing. So I decided to go with 4 products. I think it was anywhere from 3 to 6 products that we could do. I picked 4. It was just an easy number for me with all my other projects. You know, I just have 1 or 2 other projects going on. And unfortunately, I don't have any empties this month. No, but things will look different, and you'll see in a second. The first one, I'm going to show you one that looks normal. The first one is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Piggy Bank. I love this. I absolutely love this, and it's one of the colors that when it's gone, I will want it again because I do a lot of pinks and purples, and this goes with both. So I really do like this one a whole lot. I'm not going to roll it all the way up because I don't want it to break off, but I did carefully roll it up so I could measure it and show you on here. Are you seeing a consistent progress here? Yeah. If I keep that progress going, this will not be done by the end of the year. I'm not going to be mad about it though, because I do, like I said, really like this eyeliner. So it is what it is. It may get more usage later on in the year. There may be a time when I'm really focusing on certain colors that will go with. But right now, it's just getting basic, steady usage. And, you know, it is what it is. So I'm just going to keep working on that. The next one is also in pencil form. This is the e.l.f. Lip Liner in Natural. And I have marked it right here. I have thrown the cap. I have thrown the cap. Where did it go? I'm just going to show it to you. I'm going to show you what I have left. And I'll see if I can find the cap in a minute. I've got like fumble fingers. Yes, I know. It's a thing. There it is. It's directly down below me. Give me 1 second. I'm back that quick. All right, let's scoot back in here. This is the cap, if I could hold on to it. This is my progress, where I was before, where I am now. I should have used this more in the past month, and I'm not sure why I didn't. But, again, you can see what little is there. I think if I really was to focus on this, I could probably have it done by the next update. And I really want it done, to be quite honest. I like it, but as much as I like warm tones, I think this is a little bit too warm for me, for my lips. I don't know. For some reason, I kind of like the more neutral colors, but I don't know. It's just kind of, it's a warm natural. And it's just, I'm not feeling it as much. So, yeah, I really want to get this one done. This is going to be my focus for this particular project in the next month. And hopefully I'll be able to roll in something in its place by the next update. This next one is a point of frustration for me. My nose itches. The e.l.f. Shimmer Palette, I'm working on 2 different colors in here. I've basically been working on the white one. You'll notice big differences, but rest assured it is not done. I know it's kind of messy looking. Here's the deal. I had been saving the bases of my lip balms for a while, and I had a mini sample lipstick from Avon that I had just the base left, and I was going to do a Franken Friday for you with to make like a tinted lip balm. And I sat down and I turned my camera, it was actually my phone on because it's easier to do that with a phone facing down towards my desk. And I filmed it in about a little over a minute in, which isn't very far when you're doing a Franken. My phone rang and it was one of those stupid spam calls. I ignored it. I just kept going, but my camera on my phone did not keep going. So I Frankened the lip balm and the lipstick, and I put the majority of this white shimmer into that Franken lip balm that I was doing. However, on Franken Friday, you saw not this, you saw an eyeshadow because I didn't have any footage, and you can't unfranken something and redo it. It just doesn't work that way. So I have this tinted lip balm with lip balm and the shimmer white and the little lipstick base, and I'm going to show it to you. It's really hard to see. It's right here. It's really pretty. It's really natural and easy to use. It's one of those, you don't want to put anything on but some mascara and something on your lips. It's perfect for that. So this product is not going to be considered done, the white portion, until everything in here is done. And I filled up the whole tube. So, but it's a very soft formula. So it is going to go quickly, but not like in the next month or so. But I just wanted to let you know what I did with it. And unfortunately, I couldn't really show you the point A to point B because, well, stupid spam calls. I wish they would stop already. So that is my update. The beige one, I haven't touched at all. So yeah, long story short, I didn't finish anything in this past month. I really didn't. But I have been working on it. Like I said, I have pretty steady progress on Piggy Bank eyeliner, and I have decent progress on the lip pencil. Shimmer palette, we're not even going to discuss that. No, we're not. So this is my priority to get finished by the next update. I really think if I use this on the daily, I think I can do it. I think I can do it. I need to channel Alex, or Alejandra Lisette as she goes by now. I need to channel her with her lip liners and get her done, because it would be nice to get this one out. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Again, Steph and Lynn and all the other people that have joined in, they're going to be listed down there. Go check them out. Show them some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.